Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back at market open. I have an order at 39.50 here. Actually, I think I get to 38.50. 38.50 here for a put. A little bit bigger since there's a good size gap down. See if we can get a little bit more movement in the upwards direction. All right, I'll pause for now. I'll keep a close eye on it. Have my order at 39.50 here for that put, so I did make an adjustment in the upwards direction. I'm going to go to 39 instead. Maybe I should have left it at 39.50. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. I'm in at 41.50 and out as soon as I could click the sell button at 42. So I missed the entry point on that. I got to stop talking though. I'm going to throw out an order at 38. This wants to come down. So it shot down very quick, filled me, and then when I got the video rolling again, I quickly was out as fast as I can drag my cursor to hit the sell button. It had already moved in my favor enough to take me out of the trade. So that was a very, very fast $50. And so when you had gotten the video rolling, you would have seen a white order right there, and then that white order would have quickly turned to green, meaning the white is the orders out there, green means it has been filled. So this white order right here is because I have not been filled. I have not been able to buy one contract at $38, which is what I want to do, which is why I'm watching that number right there. Want to see that drop down to 38, slightly below, which would cause that white to turn to green. And I am doing options. If you have no idea what I mean by options or are intimidated, don't be. Just comment below option or option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work, and I approach them in a simple way. Yes, options can be made very complicated, very advanced, but they can also be approached in more of a simplified way, and that's how I approach them. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below option guide and I will link you to it. So if the price wants to come down a bit more, I will be ready down at 38. But as of now, yeah, a little disappointed I was not able to get filled on those puts, because puts means you make money if prices go down. And as you can see here, the price has definitely gone down. But okay, maybe we'll get some sort of movement here. And I'm at 38, in at 38, out very fast again. So I captured that one on video. That was another one of those almost if you blinked you missed it type trades. So I'm going to go down here, and this wants to come down again. I will be ready. But again, that was very, very fast. You would have seen that go from white to green, and then that go from white to green all in just a few seconds. So if you got to scroll back because you missed it, I hear ya. These things these sniper shots can occur very, very quickly. All right, I will pause, but off to a quick start here. 2 trades, less than 5 minutes, $100. Not many places in the market, or not, let me take that back. Not many places in the world where you can make $100 in 5 minutes. That's kind of crazy, actually. If you stop and really think about it, it's pretty crazy. I don't say that to brag. I just say it to build context, because it is easy at times to just think you got to make thousands of dollars. But I mean, really? $100 in 5 minutes? It's actually kind of bonkers when you stop and think about it. I'm actually going to try again at 38. So let me just double check. Yep, 38. See if it wants to go down there again. I'll try to take that same general trade. All right, I will pause, and if it looks like it's going to get close, I'll get the video rolling. I have an order at 33.50 here for a put. See if the price wants to come up a bit more. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 36.70 here for a call. So price needs to come down here a bit more. I'm watching this number. Want to see this number come down to 36.70. Go slightly below, which would mean that I'm filled, which means that the white order turns to green. And I don't mean to... obviously, if you've watched these videos, you know how the screen works, but you got to keep in mind there's always newer people watching these, so I want to try to keep it as straightforward as possible for them. But all right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 43.50. Got that. And out there for, oh wow, $70. So I was only going for 50, but by the time literally I could type in the order, scroll down and hit sell. So what was that, like a second? It had moved actually 20 cents additional in my favor. So I like those where it moves that fast. So $70 in the blink of an eye when I was only going for a $50 sniper shot. I like those quite a bit. All right, if this thing wants to come up some more, I will be ready up around the blue line-ish. So right around 510.80. I throw out 39 there. There we go. So let's see if this thing wants to make that push up there. I will pause for now, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 33.50, in at 33.50 for a call, out for another $50 move there. That one happened again, I think in under 5 seconds. So very happy with that. And I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 26.50 here for a call, in at 26.50. Gonna make a little bit of adjustment on that order now. So just took $20 on that one. Moved a little bit too far against me. So I didn't even necessarily go, have to take a loss or anything like that. But I did have to go into loss control mode. And loss control mode does not always produce a loser. It just means, okay, looking like my original is not quite working out. So I need to make an adjustment. And that's exactly what I did there. And I'm glad that I did that because you can see now it's dropping even further down. So, all right. Well, in hindsight, I would have been okay, but I mean, we're talking in hindsight, and we're all, you included, we're all brilliant traders in hindsight. I don't know about you, but my hindsight trading account has like $1 trillion in it. That's how good of a trader I am in hindsight. Okay, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 24.30 here for a call. So need the price to come down just a bit more. All right, I think I can maybe get something better than that. Gonna look just play a fake breakdown now. So I'm gonna go down to 21.50, throw out an order there. And let's see if we can get some further movement to the downside. All right, I will pause. All right, it is 10:30, so that's 1 hour. I'm up 240 with commissions. Let's call it 230, and I am more than happy with $230 in 1 hour. It goes just back to the whole. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $230 in an hour, especially for my context. That context being I have multiple streams of income, so this is just a side hustle for me. This is just one of the many streams of income that I have. And, around kind of the clay trader community, we preach multiple streams of income because, it gives you flexibility and it gives you ultimately freedom. And I am in this for the freedom of time. If you're in this for the Lamborghini, yes, what I made right here is not going to buy you a Lamborghini. But that's not why I'm on this. I'm in this just for another stream of income. And every little bit I can put in my pocket from the multiple streams, it all adds up and allows me to have the freedom of time to work from home. I have 6 kids, so 6 young kids, so it allows me to spend time with them. And it just gives me the flexibility within my time schedule. I'm not to say that if you're going for that Lamborghini, that's fine, go for it. I hope you get that. I'm just saying that we're all at different moments in our life. We have different ambitions, different goals, and day trading can be play a role in all those goals. It'll just be a little bit of a different way. So if you want that Lamborghini, then yeah, you're going to need to be making a whole lot more than this and probably spending a whole lot more time sitting at your computer than this, or taking way bigger risks than what I was taking. But like I said, that's not to say it's wrong, just to say that it's a little bit different. But so yes, $230 in 1 hour for a side hustle. I will definitely take it. I'm going to move on with my day. So if you enjoy these, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.